Hello, my friends. How are you? Fun 3. At Unit 7, we are going to talk about farm, food, animals. Today, our activity is extremely easy and fun to do, okay? Look at here. We have a cow and a baby calf. We have a little hen and a little chick, okay? Hen and chick. Wow, look at this beautiful horse and the little foal. Oh, I love this animal. It's a sheep and a cute little lamb. Sheep, lamb. Dog and puppy. Cat and the babies are kittens. Cat and kittens. Oh, I love this one. It's a big pig and a tiny little piglet. Pig and piglet. Okay? So now I want you to choose a very cute farm animal and draw it for me, okay? I want to know what is your favorite farm animal, okay? I am going to ask you to show me next class. Okie dokie. Bye-bye, my friends. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.